Configuring consultant deductibles ensures accurate financial management by specifying the consultant's tax and hospital deductions. This process provides a clear breakdown of their remuneration, ensuring compliance with financial policies and transparency in billing and payment workflows. To configure consultant deductibles, navigate to the Human Resource module and select Consultants to open the Consultants panel. From the list of consultants, select the relevant consultant whose deductibles need updating. Next, click on the Actions button and choose Configure Individual Consultant Deductibles from the drop-down menu. In the newly opened window, fill in all the required fields. In the tax drop-down, selecting Not Configured means no tax will be applied to the consultant's earnings. Suitable for cases where tax deductions are not required, selecting Percentage means the tax will be calculated as a percentage of the consultant's earnings. Ensuring proportional deductions based on income. For fixed value, a specific, unchanging tax amount will be deducted regardless of earnings, ideal for fixed-rate agreements. Make your selection based on your intervention. The value field allows you to input the tax rate or amount, ensuring accurate computation. Note that this field is only active when you select either a percentage or fixed value in the tax drop-down. Otherwise, leave it as 0. The minimum taxable amount defines the income threshold eligible for taxation, ensuring compliance with tax regulations by taxing only qualifying income. This field is also active when you select either percentage or fixed value in the tax drop-down. The round-off option standardizes tax amounts by eliminating minor discrepancies and rounding tax values to a whole number or specified interval, ensuring cleaner and more consistent financial records. Adjust the hospital deduction as needed to account for agreed-upon deductions for facility use or administrative costs. In the hospital deduction drop-down, make your selection based on the intervention. If you select a percentage, enter the percentage value as shown. If it's a decimal value, check the round-off checkbox to round off the value to the nearest whole number. Finally, click on Save to save the consultant deductibles. This step finalizes the deductible setup, allowing the system to calculate and apply them automatically during billing and payment processes, enhancing accuracy and efficiency.